up on the injectors. Oh my! Car's on the lift. We straight invaded this Evo shop, guys. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are in the Z today. It's actually the next day from the last video you guys just saw. We're gonna be heading to the dyno. We're gonna be tuning this thing, adding the injectors and adding some mass airflow sensors. But on my birthday I drove this car and it was super windy. On the freeway my lip literally fell, so the bottom of the lip is like ripped. So since we are gonna be driving kind of far and driving a little crazy, I decided to I'm gonna go ahead and take the lip off. I'd rather not deal with the possibility of this thing flying off on the freeway or flying off in general. So we're gonna be lipless today. I hate the lipless look, but it is what it is.
12 seconds later.
So the lip is off. As you guys can see, there's like a little slit right there. That's tomorrow's problem. Let's go. Alright guys, we just pulled up. I didn't even get off the car yet and he's already taking the car apart. What's up, sir?
What up, Doc? I see you.
Ouch.
I see you again. I see you again.
Nice firm handshake there, buddy. My sir?
Just saw you, but
Yeah, I just seen you like literally like 13 hours ago. We got another HR over here. I believe this one's getting 2 on the 85. We got David's dud over there. And we got Adrian's boosted 370Z. And we got my Z without a lip. Oh my god. Not sure if I mentioned it, but we are going to be changing the injectors and the mass airflow sensors, but I'm still going to be on my stage 3 clutch with my stock flywheel, so we're not going to full send it today, but we are going to turn it up quite a bit. Hopefully everything goes good. New injectors. Would you mind opening it for us, Eric, because I cannot do it with one hand. Any day now, sir.
Shut the fuck up. You guys got lost, man. Like, where'd they go?
Hey bro, there's only 4. Adrian?
What?
There's only 4.
Alright.
Okay, 4 cylinder?
Yep.
Alright guys, the car is done. Now we just gotta wait to tune this car, this one, and then we'll go and tune this one. First start up on the new injectors. Another one of my specials. Q50, just like mine. I think the similar.
Better than yours.
Yeah, it does. Mine has a fat exhaust stick. It really does. Same mods as me. I'm gonna see this little popcorn wrap.
You gotta throw some pop? Just some pop. See what it sounds like.
God. Gonna go test it out. See how it feels. Popcorn map. Oh my god. So how'd it feel, bro?
Oh, that shit tight.
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Another happy customer. So we got this HR over here. Not sure the mods, but I know it is on the 85. Gonna battle turn really quick. See what it makes. $286. Very nice, very nice. So I guess there's still 91 in the car, so he's gonna have to come back, fix the tune with this full 85, but not bad.
Nah, I have the power turned on.
Huh?
I have the power turned on.
Oh, you have the power. Oh, never mind. He has the power turned down. All right, last pull. See what it does. There it is. 290. Very nice, very nice. So, little change of plans. We're gonna end up fixing the exhaust leak. It's from the header to the test flight, just like the Q50. So we're gonna put on the lift. And yeah, the Z's about to invade this Evo shop, guys. We straight invaded this Evo shit, guys. I need an Evo one day before I die.
A rubber seal is the dude.
Preferably an Evo 9.
Or is that from The Hangover? That's what I said.
Yeah.
No. Still on there. Shit, he rebanded this? That's fire.
Guys, look at the gasket. I don't think we were leaking that bad.
Look at, you see that black spot? So look at the exhaust right there.
Still
You
there.
see how on the triangle it's black right there? Yeah. That's where all your exhaust is leaking out.
Alright guys, so the gasket is all changed out. Now they are changing the wastegate spring. This black Evo is so sick, bro. I really need one before I die. This Evo 10 is super clean too, bro. Should have bought one instead of the Q50 low key. So nice. Alright guys, it is time to street tune this thing. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie guys. I'm not gonna lie.
It's recording?
Yeah.
You see? No, the other.
Oh, you fucking...
Right here. Slow down, slow down, slow down. And full throttle. No, 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 no. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Alright, go ahead. Might get- Huh? I don't know, maybe. Might get one.
Yep.
No, this. Might get one.
So guys, a coupler came off, I believe, but not to find which one. I just want to know how many of you guys' tuners will pull over with you while street tuning and fix the issue. Like for real, how many?
12 seconds later.
Might get one.
God! We're just getting started, bro!
Hey, dude, that's all like hella low power too. That feels pretty good already.
I did another pull off camera before the last one you guys just seen.
Looks like it.
Really? Oh yeah, it did, look. Making 18 pounds, this thing was being really nice. Really, really nice. Ready? Yeah, I don't think the freaking GoPro got the last pull, guys, but this thing is pretty gnarly. Huh?
That's good to hear, buddies. That's great.
That's fast. That's fucking fast. That is fucking fast. We're out here cruising. Bro, it's so late. I'm so tired. Nice car, man.
Huh?
Nice car. What you got done to it?
EV.
Nice. Tesla swap? Nice. Me too. Alright guys, so I'm driving home. Well, 30 minutes out still. But I just wanted to come out here really quick and shout out two people. My boy Adrian over at E-Class 2s and my boy Eric. He is literally behind me. He's been following me around all day. Shout out to both of them, bro. Adrian was literally with us so right now, like at 2:30 in the morning, tuning the car, fixing the car when it was popping covers and shit. Eric's literally been with me the whole day. Real ones, bro. Real ass people, and I appreciate both of them so much. I'll leave both of their Instagrams right here. If you guys want to go ahead and give them a follow. As you guys know, Adrian is the owner over at E-Class Tunes. He has a crazy twin turbo 370Z. My boy Eric, He just sold his 350Z not so long ago, but he will be getting into another car, and he also does YouTube. So if you guys wanna go show him some love, I'll have his stuff. I'll have both of their stuff down in the description below. But shout out to both of them. They're last people. Shout out to David too. I'll leave all their socials down there below. But yeah, guys, the car's fast. I just can't use all the power because I'm maxing out my fuel pump. I'm gonna do a twin fuel pump setup, and we should be good. After that, get my clutch kit, and we're sending it to the moon. This shit's already fast, bro. I'm not gonna lie, pretty freaking fast. But Adrian said to not do any pulls because the car's leaning out due to the fuel pump issue. So me driving this car like a grandma. All right, guys, we made it back home safe and sound. So yeah, guys, it's funny. We changed the injectors, we changed the max airflow sensors. So those are obviously good now. I'm not maxing either of those out. Once we started street tuning, we maxed out the fuel pump almost right away. We kind of knew that was gonna happen already though, but we still want to try it out. So like I said, we are gonna be doing a dual pump setup. Once we do that, I'll probably be doing that like sometime next week. And after that, grab my clutch kit, and then I'll be ready for all the power. But for now, the car feels really, really good. Just that, like I said, Adrian did tell me not to really do any pulls, just because the car is leaning out. So if I do drive it, I'll just drive it NA. I'll drive it like it's NA. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. It sucks that the GoPro didn't pick up the last couple of pulls. The car was really moving, guys. But oh well, it happens, I guess. With that being said, if you guys all enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys will be there whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.